Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Rebecca, and if you're new, I'd love for you to stick around, so please hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing a DIY of a natural bath bomb. She's going to be helping me. And we're going to do lavender and rose. Now these are going to be gifts for Christmas, but I also love using them. They're quite expensive when you buy them from stores, and they're really easy to make, and I love making them at home just because it's fun for the kids and it's fun for me when I get to use them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And let me know if you give these a try in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.
So here are all the ingredients that you're going to need to make these bath bombs. You just need a large mixing bowl and some bath molds. I got these dried rose buds and these lavender buds from a flower shop. I will put a link below where I got the flowers from. Then I just have lavender essential oil and rose essential oil and a little bit of pink food coloring. So for this recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of cornstarch, a half a cup of citric acid, a half a cup of Epsom salt, and a whole cup of baking soda. You're also going to need 1/4 cup of castor oil and some bath bomb molds. So Tabitha's going to help me out today to make these. She loves making them. And they're easy enough for a 5-year-old to make. So she's just mixing all of the dry ingredients together. And then giving them a mix so they're nice and incorporated together. And then you're going to take your wet ingredients. So she put castor oil and then 1 teaspoon of water, and then probably between 8 to 20 drops of essential oil, depending on how strong your essential oils are. And then slowly take the wet ingredients and whisk them into the dry ingredients. You want to do this slowly so it doesn't fizz up. And keep mixing everything until it's a nice, smooth consistency. So the first one we're doing is the lavender one. So she put a lavender essential oil in this. I'm taking some lavender buds and putting them in the bottom of the mold, and then packing all the bath bomb ingredients in. She's filling the other side for me, and then once it's packed really tightly, you're going to put the 2 sides of the bath bomb together and just scrape off the excess, and then I usually put them in the refrigerator for a few minutes. We're just repeating the process again with the smaller ones. These came out absolutely beautiful and they smelled amazing. So if you like lavender, this one's a really simple, easy way. And then for the rose ones, you pretty much do the same exact process, but you're going to put rose essential oil in, and then just to add a teeny bit of a rose color, I did add 2 drops of pink coloring. And then I once again took my wet ingredients and mixed them with my dry ingredients, whisking the entire time. So for this rose one, I put several rose buds in the bath bomb mold. Just a few, because you want to pack them tight or they will fall out. And then you're going to take your bath bombs and push them into the molds as hard as you can. Get everything really packed tightly. Then put the 2 ends together and then clear the excess from the sides. These came out exceptionally beautiful, I thought. They were like a great gift idea. They look quite impressive. And I have paid in the past probably $6 to $7 for bath bombs pretty much exactly the same as these. These are what they look like together. These were Christmas gifts for aunts and grandmas this year, and Tabitha loved making them, so I like having a gift that she can make on her own. I just put a couple bath bombs into a little pouch, and then I put these gift baskets for people for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy this DIY and give it a try. I will see you guys next time.